UV Resin, Memory of the Time. Where do we go? Where should we go? Where do we want to go? We don't know the destination. But we know.
Next stop.
But we only know. We have to go. And where we are. Who we are. These are our memories. With the gear that do not mesh. Let's make our sand glass. We want to keep our memories in a beautiful way. Even if it's a sad, of course, happy memory too. Let's keep it in this little sand glass. Sand should be a very sparkling, because these are our precious time. And this is a time which never stops. Sparkling, shining, never stops. I wish sometimes I could stop the shiny sand, but the shiny sand never stops. Everybody has shiny sand, which is never stop. We have this shiny sand, and it's precious sand. How much left? How much do you have? How do we spend? Just go and go and go and go. We only know that it never stops. Sometimes I wish I could move them, but not. They never stay. These are our precious memories. We have a lot, but this time I want to keep this and this memory. It's time to put our memories. Let's keep it them to be shiny, sparkling. Lots of memories. Small, big, happy, sad. Let's put the gears too. Gears that do not mesh. Where should I put them? We never know, because it doesn't seem fits anywhere. But it seems fits anywhere. These are our memories. Let's keep it more very hardly, 'cause we don't want to lose them. More and more. These are precious memories. Make it tight, make it hard, because we want to remember. Okay. Here's a little secret to make it the more beautiful. You can put imitation accent to make them more shiny. Like this. Looks very good. Let's take a look the other side. Looks nice. Sometimes we fail, but never worry about it. We can fix it if we try. Not completely, but still. We can make it better. Let's keep our beautiful memory in a little glass. Gently, softly, not to break them. And it will be forever. We can see they exist. We can touch them, remember them. If we could put them in a shiny little sand glass, clear, shining, and sparkling. I think it's very beautiful, complete. This is one of our precious little sand glass.